Here we have a 4-camera, what they call a multi-camera dash cam. We're going to open the box together. It's called a W6. It does have Wi-Fi, I do know that. So you can download it straight to your phone or a laptop if you want, if you have Wi-Fi available. Leave this box opened here. Haven't seen it. I'm gonna open it up together and see what it looks like. Brand new to me, brand new to us. Okay, this is your dash cam. You got camera over here. You can spin around all the way around. You can have inside view of your passengers and yourself, or you can have your outside view as well. Also, your dash cam is adjustable. If you can't get it just the way you want it on your window, you can move your camera up and down. It does have an adhesive on the window. From what I read, it pops off and the camera can be removed, so you don't have to leave it on there. It does have a nice large screen here to view either the one camera or all 4 of them at the same time. Got all your buttons right on the front, so easy to see. Previous models, they had them on the bottom, a little harder to see. These are also adjustable up and down as well. You got your SD slot, you got your USB-C port right there, and then your input for your rear camera. Alright, so let's see what else is in the box. Cardboard packaging. Got your power cord, the USB-C to cigarette lighter. I have learned that if you don't have a cigarette lighter, you can get a USB-C cable and hook it up directly with a USB-C cable. You got your 32 gig SD card right there. And then you have your hardwired rear camera. You got a long wire to run it through your car. You got your camera on the back. I'm not going to take it out of the package. And then you have your operating manual for the camera right there. So this is a nice dash camera, a little upgraded model, having the Wi-Fi that you can download directly from it, as long as you have Wi-Fi access in the car and on the device you want to download it to. You don't have to have an app, but there is an app you can use with it. But should be a great camera. I didn't need to see what the thing was on it. I don't know if it's a 1080 or a 4K. It doesn't say on the outside here. Let's see what it says in the booklet here. Pretty quick. All the images. It's a 1920 or 1080 resolution. So we got the very high resolution. Video recording format is MJPG, which is typical record video, and you can take photos with it. So you can snap a JPEG with the camera as well if you need to. So, and it does support Wi-Fi. It's a power supply is a 5-volt 2-amp, so typically USB-C. These will be up for sale on Marketplace and on our eBay store. So if you're looking for a dash cam, let us know. Have a great day.